There it is. Hi.
Huh?
The haunted shack.
Oh,
No, she did right there.
oh.
See? Look it. Go for it. Wendy, you going first. I'm letting Wendy go in first, the haunted seismic shack. Here in the rainforest. We know we've been in here before. I didn't see any ghosts.
Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of creepy.
Creepy. Old.
Wow.
There's a nice ladder.
I guess you could come in here if you got stuck up in a storm.
I've been in here when it rained one time.
Do you think there's
I waited it
power?
out in here when it was raining.
I think there's just no power. I don't think there's public outlets there.
I don't know.
I doubt it.
Look at the roof, it's like ripped off.
Oh.
Got a metal
They should,
frame, it's all rusted.
Fix it up. Like,
Plants growing in here.
some sort of
Vines, look at the vines down the wall. Check that out, hey? Look at that wall there.
Oh yeah.
And the back wall. Looks like wallpaper, it's vines.
Yeah. Weird.
Crazy, eh? So anyway,
Yeah.
this is the little shack in the Hawaiian rainforest. Crazy, huh?
Yeah. Got a ladder up